In this video, I will show you how to find downloads on iPhone. Whether you're a seasoned iPhone user or just getting started, this tutorial will provide you with step-by-step instructions and helpful tips to locate your downloaded files easily. Navigating iOS downloads can be slightly different compared to Android or desktop operating systems. This guide will walk you through the various methods of finding downloads on your iPhone, ensuring you can access your files quickly and effortlessly. The easiest way to find the download folder on an iPhone is to use the Files app. Find the Files app on your iPhone. If you do not find it on your home screen, you can swipe from right to left until you reach the app library. Right on the search files. Open the Files app on your iPhone. If you are in a folder, just tap on Browse. You will see a favorite option, and there you will have the Downloads folder. Tap the Downloads folder. You will see a list of all the files you have downloaded recently. To view a file, simply tap on it. You can also use the search bar at the top of the screen to find a specific file. If you do not see downloads on the favorite option, then you can tap on iCloud. Here, you should see a folder called Downloads. Now tap on it, and you should be in the Downloads folder. We hope this guide has helped you learn how to find downloads on iPhone.